In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create header in card.co. By the end, you'll have a clean, reusable header area ready for a logo, navigation, or call to action buttons. First, head over to card.co and log into your account so you can build on your dashboard. From there, choose New Site to start a fresh project. When the template gallery opens, select a blank page. Starting blank gives you full control over the layout and makes it easy to see exactly what the header marker is doing. Next, open the Add menu using the plus icon on the left. From the Elements list, choose Control. This is where Card keeps special layout tools that don't directly show on the page, but control how your site behaves. In the control settings, look for the Type section and select Header Marker. You'll see a header marker appear in your Layers panel or on the canvas. Click Done to confirm. You should now see labels for header start and header end on your canvas or in the outline. Click and drag the header end marker up to the top. This defines where your header area ends, so placing it at the top creates a clear boundary at the very top of your page. Think of these markers as fences. Everything inside that boundary can be treated as header content. Open the Add menu again and choose Container. Containers help you group items and keep spacing and alignment tidy, which is ideal for a header. In the container settings, you can later switch the type to columns if you want a split layout, like a logo on the left and buttons on the right. For now, click Done to place the container. Finally, click and drag the container to the top so it sits inside the header area. This is where you'll place your actual header content. Under this container, you can add buttons, text, images, or icons, whatever you want in your header. As you add items, use the container's alignment, padding, and width settings to keep everything neat and consistent. A common approach is to center the container, set a comfortable maximum width, and adjust padding so the header feels balanced on both desktop and mobile. That's it. You've created a proper header structure in Card using a header marker and a container. From here, you can style the background, add your logo and a navigation, and preview to make sure it looks great across devices. Remember to save your work frequently as you go.